koma zimene zikuchitika ku South Africa pena ndizopereka mantha kwambiri makamaka kuti muone mmene amalawi akuzunzikira kumene koko. Ndikuonesani video imene Malawi akulimbana ndi South Africa ndi zinthu zopereka mantha kwambiri. Tione video imene.
Ngiyabuza phela manje. Salabala uthanda zala. Unizwile ukuthi in Nigeria the government of Nigeria have.
I'm not from Nigeria, I speak English.
I'm speaking English.
Yeah, I'm from Malawi, I'm a visitor here.
Yes. And you have papers?
Yes, I got.
Where?
Are you a police?
I am.
Are you a police? That's a good question. Malawi yakuoneka kuti ndosatekeseka ndi anthu akuzoni muone mena kwa yakira alibe kwaopa ndipo imene akudalira Malawi.
But the Nigerian government has declared hambani sikhathele yini manje umongameli waseNigeria uthe uzonilana ngabhanoyi nithi singamavisi why you do it in your own country? Why? We are tired and you must know it.
I want to buy things here.
Yes.
I was chained. Don't tell me nonsense. You don't know me.
Until 15. Until 15. Hambani, please. In your own country, can you do it peacefully? Njoba sikhona khona kuyisonto sola Newcastle namanje sihambani don't phuma le sonto ansanyela inhlobo. Yes, the whole countries that are here hambani, finish. Okay, all right. Asalila France, we are willing to die for our own country. Why don't you go and die for your own country? The soil is the soil, the land is the land. Why don't you repellent your own? Because your government has failed you. Now you are here to loot our own country so that it can look like yours. Never. Hamban. Anesatwa izolithinga manje hambani uzobona futhi
yazindrobe bahambe